The Lenovo Z5 Pro is yet another smartphone with a manual slider mechanism following the Mi Mix 3 and the Honor Magic 2. But Lenovo claims to have beaten both when it comes to screen-to-body ratio and at much cheaper price to boot. The catch is that the Lenovo Z5 Pro is powered by a Snapdragon 710 instead of the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845, but the rest of it is mostly flagship stuff. The phone is built around a full-screen display with no unsightly notches. It's 6.39 in diagonal and has FHD and resolution. Lenovo has fitted its latest handset with a 6.39-inch display with FHD and resolution. During the announcement, the company revealed that it is using a Samsung-built panel for the Z5 Pro, so expect brilliant viewing angles and vivid colors galore. It's also worth noting that the Lenovo Z5 Pro has the largest display of any notch-free smartphone available right now, so this could easily become the best choice for those looking to binge a raft of box sets during their morning commute. Just like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, Lenovo has embedded the fingerprint sensor inside the glass display on the front of the Z5 Pro. Sliding down the screen reveals the dual front-facing camera setup, which consists of a 16-megapixel and 8-megapixel sensor. The smaller of these will also be used for IR facial recognition for improved portrait mode style photography with artificial bokeh blur to the background behind the subject. Lenovo says it's covering more than 95% of the front panel, and while that's certainly optimistic, makers like to exclude the frame as part of the body. The direct comparison to the Mix 3 showed slimmer bezels. And the company isn't shy to share that the screen is Samsung-made. The Lenovo Z5 Pro doesn't offer too many memory options, only 6 GB of RAM with either 64 or 128 GB of storage. There are no mentions of micro SD card support, so we can assume the storage is non-expandable. On the back, the phone boasts a dual camera setup with 16MP main sensor with f1.8 aperture and a secondary with 24MP resolution. The slider is a home to another dual camera configuration, 16MP plus 8MP for selfies, and they are accompanied by an infrared sensor for advanced facial recognition. Speaking of biometric security, the Z5 Pro incorporates an under-display fingerprint reader, one of the centerpiece features of the handset. A 3350 mAh battery provides power, and Android Auria is running out of the box with ZUI 10 on top. The latter brings a few AI-enhanced features like optimized power savings during standby, camera scene recognition, and gaming mode that promises measurable performance optimizations thanks to that same AI. Pre-orders have already started, with actual shipments coming 9 days from now. The Z5 Pro sells for $287 for the 64 GB model and asks $330 for the 128 GB version. The only available color is ceramic black.